Okay, right. Okay, fine. So guys, like yesterday, we started with some introduction. I think two introduction classes we have taken, guys. So if anyone has missed the last two classes, guys, don't worry, because nothing has been happened. Just it is going to be a very basic level functionalities only. We discussed about that, like a very basic level, guys. Okay, a very basic level we discussed about that. Two sessions has been taken. In the first session, guys, I just given some idea like what is data visualization, because Power BI is a data visualization software. So what is data visualization? So what is the need of data visualization? What are the different ways we can perform the visualization? I just given some idea about that. And yesterday I discussed about like how these data visualization tools has been evolved over a time period. So before 2000 year, what we used to use like crystal reports. From 2001 to 2012, we used to use some tools like we used to use the tools like SSRS, Cognos, business objects. I given some history, guys. So I just given some little bit idea about some history about how these tools has been got evolved. So that's it. That is what we discussed in the last couple of classes, what we discussed in, guys. So what are different ways you can do the data visualization, and what are the different types of data visualization softwares are there? But as part of our training program, guys, we are going to learn something about a tool or a software called as Power BI. So what is this Power BI, guys? Power BI is a data visualization software which was developed by Microsoft. It was created by Microsoft, but Microsoft is also having some other tools also they have them, guys. They also have other tools also they have, guys. Like they also have a tool called as an SSRS. So SSRS is another type of a data visualization software which was created by the Microsoft. That is second generation reporting tool, guys. Whatever we are using the Power BI is a third generation reporting tool. Whatever we discussed earlier, that is nothing but it is going to be, we can say that it is an SSRS is a second generation reporting tool, guys. Okay, fine. So today what I'm going to do, guys, today I'm going to discuss something about like how to install the Power BI software. So installation is very easy, guys. But what are the different options that are available in Power BI? We have to work with them. Okay. So try to observe carefully, guys. Whenever we want to work with Power BI in the real time, there are different types of tools are available. It's a Power BI tools only, but in Power BI, again, we have a multiple tools are available. Okay. So what are the tools or what are the environment which we are going to discuss further today's class? And we also do one installation also, guys. Okay. We'll understand, guys, how the Power BI real time, that means in real time, how the people uses the Power BI tools. So that we'll get some idea about like which type of tools we are going to work with them. Okay, fine. So try to understand, guys, what are the different types of Power BI tools. And already I told you, Power BI is a data visualization software created by Microsoft, developed by Microsoft, guys. Right? So this is developed by Microsoft, guys. It is a data visualization software. Okay, now try to observe carefully. So I'm going to use some technical aspects, guys. Don't worry, because it is only just to understand the concept. So in real time, what we are going to do, guys, for example, I went to a company, I joined in a company. So how the company, that means how my manager or how my team is going to ask me, like they want some reports. So how I'm going to design them, how I'm going to give these visuals to them. So we'll get some idea about that. Let me show you the example, guys. So the first one is nothing but we are going to use something called as it is nothing but it's a Power BI desktop. So even yesterday also, if the guys who has attended yesterday's session, guys, you can see them. It's what we simply call it as a Power BI desktop, guys. What we call it as, guys, it is simply we are going to call it as a Power BI desktop. So the name itself is saying that it is a desktop. Desktop means nothing but we know that, right? Even we are using some WhatsApp desktop is there, or we are going to use a different types of desktop products are there. What are the desktop products, guys? Mainly, Power BI desktop is basically it is a tool of Power BI, guys, which is mainly compatible for, which is basically for, which is going to be for laptops and desktops, right? So you can install this software in a laptop or a, which is going to be the desktop. That is the reason why we call it as a Power BI desktop. You can install it in your laptop. Nowadays, no one using desktops, guys. You know the difference now, guys, desktops and laptops, isn't it? So laptops are very easy to carry. Desktops are not that much easy to carry. Everywhere you cannot carry them, but laptops we can carry easily. Okay, so mainly for laptops and desktop, guys, you have to install this particular tool in your computer, in your laptop or a desktop. You have to install it. What is this Power BI desktop, guys? The Power BI desktop is the main designer tool, guys. The main designer tool, guys. It is one of the main designer tool. Means designing means nothing but we are going to create the reports now, guys. We are going to design the reports or we are going to create the reports. All this complete which is going to be designing is going to be done with the help of the Power BI desktop. Okay, so main designer tool, and in this particular Power BI only, we are going to customize complete, which is going to be customize the whatever the visuals or whatever the particular whatever the visuals or what is going to be that particular the reports and all these things you created, you are going to customize here only, guys. So what is the main Power BI desktop allows you to do, guys? The main designer tool, the complete designing will be done here. Customization of the visuals and the reports, complete designing and customization is done with the help of the Power BI desktop only, guys. Okay, fine. Once the Power BI desktop has been, that means I'm going to design the reports in the Power BI desktop. Okay, just for a small timing, this is going to be saved with an extension of .pbix file, guys. The extension of this particular Power BI desktop file is going to be having a .pbix file. PBI stands for which is nothing but Power BI, right? It's going to be nothing but a Power BI extension. What we simply call it as a Power BI extension is going to be the name of the, what we can call it as the name of that particular file extension, guys. Okay. Once the designing is done, now how I'm going to give these reports to my clients? Will I give the .pbx file? No, guys. If I give the .pbx to the pbx file to my clients or my whoever my clients or my users, they also requires the Power BI desktop software that is required to open this file. How can you open the pbx file, guys? Only whenever we are having a Power BI software in your system. If you want to open a .pbx file, guys, must and should you require something called as a Power BI desktop software is required. Without having the software, we cannot work with them, guys, isn't it? So how we are going to share our reports to the clients, guys? Directly, we don't give any .pbx file, guys. We don't give it to them, guys. See, complete the understanding how the people will access the reports and all these things to get to understand about that. So now how the users are going to access the reports. So I don't share them. For example, I have for example, 10 users in my company. Or let us say that there are some 10, which is going to be the 10 members are there in our team. Now I want to share my reports with all my 10 members. I need not to send the PBX file to everyone. Or I need not to share the PBX file with everyone. I need not to send them. I need not to share them. Then what I'm going to do, guys, see the one of the platform, how they are going to give you, guys. They are going to give you something called as what we are going to call it as, guys. This is nothing but what we call it as a Power BI service. What is this, guys? It is going to be a Power BI, which is going to be service will be available. So what is this Power BI service, guys? A Power BI service is not a desktop product. We need not to download. We need not to. This one you have to download and install, guys. This you have to, for laptops and desktop, you have to download and we have to install it, guys. But Power BI service is no need of going for any installation, guys. Why? Because it is available on a cloud. It is going to be nothing but a web-based application, guys. It is a web-based application, guys. What is meaning of web-based application? You have to go to this particular app, guys. The URL. What is that URL name, guys? www.app. Which is going to be powerbi.com. This is what we are going to call it as, guys, a Power BI service, what we are going to call it as. It is available as a cloud. It is going to be nothing but a product as a service. You may hear about this, guys. Infrastructure as a service. IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Service as a service, which is going to be, software as a service. SaaS, SaaS, product as a service, PaaS. Generally, when you're working on cloud, you are going to find out three types of services, guys. Infrastructure as a service, software as a service, which is going to be nothing but what we can call it as a product as a service, guys. So this is also such kind of an which is going to be one kind of an product as a service or software as a service, guys. It is a web-based app. So web-based, which is going to be application. How can you access this, guys? It is by using www.app.powerbi.com. So this is the Power BI service where, see what you have to do, guys, whatever the reports you have designed with the help of your desktop, these you have to send it to this Power BI service, guys. That is nothing but we call it as deploy or what we call it as publish. So we have to publish them, guys. I need not to send the reports to anyone. After design the report, I will publish this report into Power BI service. Now from the Power BI service, the users can directly access the reports, guys. That means from that particular Power BI service, it is going to be the managing and administration, guys, or administrating. So who can access these reports? Who cannot access the reports? Who can customize them? Who cannot customize them? All these things, complete management and administration is done from the Power BI service, guys. So managing and administration environment, guys. So complete the management and the administration, who can access, who cannot access, everything is going to be customized with the help of the Power BI service. You hope you understood, guys. It is not a designer, so it is not a designer platform, guys. You can't create any reports there. We don't design any reports there. If anyone wants, they can check it out. Open your browser, guys. Open your browser. Say which is going to be app dot, which is going to be powerbi.com. Just you have to type that URL, guys, app.powerbi.com, but it will ask you one. It is going to ask you one, which is going to be an account. So right now in your system, it won't be allowed to access, guys. You can't allow, you are not allowed to access. Why you are not allowed to access, guys? Why? Because first of all, you don't have any account is there. Okay, no worries. It is asking for authentication. From my mobile, I have to authenticate it. So I'm not authenticating right now, guys. Right now, I'm not authenticating it. Okay, currently the mobile is not currently nearby. It is, I just kept it in my another room. So right now I can have to go there and I have to get it. So for the timing, it's not required, guys. So I'm connecting, approve the sign in request, open your authentication app and approve the request, enter the number if prompted. I have to enter this number 47 from my authentication app. Then it will allows you to access that. Okay. So don't worry, but in your system, when you open it, it will ask you the username, but you don't have any username. So don't worry about that. Right now, I'm not accessing, guys. Okay. So that is completely like a managing of tool. So complete managing maintenance. If you want to go for any kind of a maintenance, the refreshing of the reports, the refreshing of data sources, all these are going to be done with the help of something called as the Power BI service only, guys. It's like an administration and management software. Power BI desktop, yesterday shown, guys. Once again, I'll show you today. This is your Power BI desktop, guys. Try to understand. From here, we have to design the reports. And whatever the reports I designed here, if you can see, they have an extension of .pbix files, guys. See there, all our reports are going to be having something called as an .pbix file is going to be having the extension with that. Can you see there, guys? There are going to be having some kind of an extensions, which is going to be something like this, what we have it, guys. Just an example I'm showing you. These are going to be some kind of a reports, what we have been got created. Just don't worry. In your class also, you are going to create the report. Just I want to show you, guys. See, it is not just like a 1 or 2 reports, guys. There are so many reports we are going to be having there. See that? So these are all going to be some kind of a reports so that we can understand some kind of a practice, what kind of a visuals we can create it. So how we can see that all types of visuals we can work on that. See there, guys. Here it is going to be a lot of, not only this, there is a lot of visuals we are having there, guys. See, there is going to be a lot of visuals what we can see with the help of these applications, what we have to work on that. Just we can see these are going to be some options what we have to work on that. Don't worry about that. Okay. So something like which is going to be nothing but some action. Even if I click there, something is happening there, guys, which is going to be premium colors, rare colors. What is going to be, how many premium colors are there? How many rare colors are there? So premium colors are going to be this one. Rare colors are going to be this one, guys. Something just to understand this particular application, guys. So not only creating a reports, guys, a lot of actions we can define them. You can see here, guys, don't worry. Just it is going to be some kind of a very beautiful options and all these things you will be having there, guys. So just to get some idea, guys, I'm just showing you what kind of and which is going to be visualizations. Can you see there how it is going to be gets moving there? So something like this, what we can understand about this kind of a visualization like this. Some kind of an hierarchies and all these things, we can define them, guys. Some kind of an hierarchies and all these things, what we can define them. See how we are going to be gets working and what exactly we are going to be doing. Some kind of an animated kind of a reports and all these things, what we can do that. Like that, guys, we'll see that. So see here we can see a lot of options we are having there. Same thing. That is what we call it as a decomposition tree. So a kind of an which is going to be a kind of an animation kind of a report what we can see. Actually, there is some filtered data was there. That is the reason why it is not showing that much data there, guys. If you can see over the time period how that particular data has been changed. So it is showing you which is going to be some sales related to something like this, guys. Okay. So don't worry. This is going to be some kind of an animated kind of a reports like this, guys. Can you see there? It's going to be some kind of an animated reports, but very easy, guys. Very easily we can create all these kind of a reports and all these things. We can do very easily. Here also we can see just click there, it will navigate to that. So I'm just navigating there, guys. So if you can see whenever I click there, it is going to be navigating to that particular reports. From there, it is going to be coming back and all these things what we can see. Total, how many cars are there? 160. How many distinct colors are there? 9. How many distinct cars are there? 3. Something we can see some kind of an application, guys. So, but how can users can access all these reports, guys? I don't give this file to them. I'm going to give the file directly to I will publish them directly to the Power BI service. From the Power BI service, the users will access them. Okay, so how the users will access them, guys? Okay, how the users will access the reports? So there are multiple ways are there. So from here, we are going to deliver the reports, guys. We call it as subscriptions. So subscriptions means nothing but delivering of reports to the users as an attachment to their emails. So what they will do is my manager is asking every day morning 6 a.m. So I want a report. So every day morning at 6 a.m. what I'm going to do is I'm going to schedule one report which will be automatically sent to my manager at morning 6 a.m. Then how the users can access it is sent as a mail attachment. Mail attachment means he can open in a desktop or he can open in a even nowadays you can open your mails even from your mobile, but not like that. Directly there is a specific app is there, guys. You know that, right? Many of the apps we are going to be using in our mobile, you can access through the web or you can access through our mobile also. So whenever the user want to access them, guys, we are having something called as a tool called as a Power BI, which is going to be a Power BI mobile. It is nothing but it's a Power BI mobile, guys. If you install this Power BI mobile in your mobile application, guys, directly automatically the reports will be automatically we can view them. No need to go to this Power BI service. Power BI service means we have to log in every day, www.app.powerbi.com. But that is not required, guys. Directly we can access directly in your mobile. So obviously, you know that what is Power BI mobile? Power BI mobile is basically for which type of devices, guys? Mobiles, and which is going to be tabs. And from where you have to install, we know that we cannot install it from Microsoft website. You have to install from your app store, right? It is going to be download and install, guys. If anyone wants, guys, you can try to download and install, guys. If you want, you can check it out. If you have the mobiles with your hand nearby, so open your mobiles, guys. Go to your Play Store or go to your App Store if you are using Apple App Store or Google Play Store. So download and install from which is going to be the App Store, guys. So go to your Play Store or go to your App Store and search for Power BI. So there will be Power BI app will be there. Download it. Download it. If you want, you can download. Just it does not takes even a 2 minutes of time. But using Power BI mobile, what we can do, guys, it is like a read only. Like only we can access the reports. Access or which is going to be view the reports from where, not directly from the Power BI service, not from the Power BI desktop. It is from the Power BI service. So here also there is a login is required, guys. Here also there is a login is required. For Power BI mobile, login is required. Even if we install it also, guys, you cannot directly log in and we cannot work with them. Only Power BI desktop does not require any login, but Power BI service and Power BI mobile both requires a login is required, guys. If anyone wants, you download the Power BI mobile. And even I said that if you want, you can open a web browser and type this URL, guys. You cannot access it. It will ask you the email ID. In my system, already have an email ID with me. So I was able to access. Okay, it is only authentication I was unable to show you. Actually, I can log in from my mobile. I think my mobile is switched off. I kept in charging. So it is nothing but, otherwise you can access it. So in your system, it is not like that. First of all, your email ID is not a registered email ID. My email ID is registered. My email ID is registered, guys, but your email IDs are not registered. How to create the accounts and all these things, I'll tell you. So in a simple way, if you want to observe it in a flow, if I show you, see guys, this is going to be nothing but your Power BI desktop. So what is the Power BI desktop, guys? Power BI desktop is going to be nothing but our designer tool. So the users, the designers or the report developers designs the report here, guys. They are going to design the report and which is going to be the visuals are going to be designed here, guys. What they will do, guys, they are going to do some kind of an publish. Okay, to where they will publish, guys? They are going to publish to a, which is going to be Power BI service. Now from the Power BI service, what I can do, guys, I can deliver them. So different users I'm going to deliver to, which is going to be different users, guys. I can deliver directly to an email, I can deliver it. But some people, what they will do, guys, they don't require any delivering. That means they don't require any kind of a deliver. So what they will do is, with the help of the Power BI mobile, what they will do, guys, they will have a login account will be there. So with that particular login account, directly what they can do is, they can connect with the Power BI service and directly they can view the reports, guys. So here, viewing of reports, and here it is going to be nothing but managing of reports, guys. See there? Designing is done in one place, managing is done in one place, viewing is going to be done in another place. Directly Power BI service can directly deliver the report as an attachment to the email. I'll show you. Or else the users can directly, my client can install Power BI mobile in the Power BI mobile in his mobile application. Now what he will do, he will log in with an account. He will log in with an account, guys. In this managing and administration tool, so this user can access these reports. These users can edit this report. These users can comment on these reports. I will do some administration and I'll give the access to him. According to the available authentication, these users can access the reports there, guys. As I said that no, you download it, but it requires a login. Here also Power BI service also requires a login, guys. So this is how that particular process is going to take place, guys. So Power BI service, no need of installation. This is a cloud account or it is a web account. Power BI mobile, you have to download and install on your mobiles, guys, from your app store. So I have to show only this Power BI desktop installation only. I have to show you, guys. Okay. So let me confirm it, guys. Currently, what is the Power BI service? What is my Power BI desktop version? Let me check it out, guys. What is my Power BI desktop version, guys? Let me show you, guys, what is my current version of Power BI. Here, can I okay, don't worry. In your system right now, it is not there, guys. Here we can see something, an option called as an about option is available there, guys. Click on the about option. It will show you what is the current version and all these things it is going to show you, guys. See that? 2.164.1654, which is nothing but it is an August update, guys. Power BI releases a new update on every month. Every month there is a new update is there. It's not a new version, but it is a new update will be there, guys. 2.146.1654, guys. So maybe it's in August. Actually, 2 months happened, guys. September and October. Maybe September has been released. October also has been released, guys. Generally, when we do the installation, guys, whenever any new batch starts, we'll do the installation. Okay. So what is happening here is, guys, this is going to be August update. Okay. Keep it aside. Let us open the Power BI desktop, guys. Yesterday I already shown you. Download Power BI desktop. Just go to the Google and type, which is going to be download Power BI desktop, guys. So directly this is going to be the place where you can use it, guys. So very easy. You can do the installation there itself. 2.148.878. Here I'm having, okay, just a minute. Here we are having the version called as 2.146 guys. Currently the latest version is released is 2.148. And the update is belonging to October update. Wherever I am currently using the August update, what we can see. Once if I install this guys, this will automatically changes to October update. It will install guys. Okay, but installation takes a little bit time, so don't worry about that. So this is going to be your Power BI desktop guys. Power BI, as I said that Power BI service directly we can access directly from the web URL we have to access it guys. And Power BI mobile you have to download and install in your mobiles. We don't install from here guys. We have to install from the, which is going to be from the desktop edition. We have to work with that, right? So this is going to be nothing but the official website from where you have to download it guys. Okay. So this is going to be the actual official website guys. If you want, you can go here guys. See there. This is going to be nothing but Power BI. So I want to see what are the different products are there. So we can see Power BI, which is going to be desktop, Pro, which is premium, which is going to be something called as an embedded. So desktop, we are using a desktop one guys. Pro means nothing but a professional edition, which will be little bit costlier guys. So we have to go for premium, little bit more costlier we have to go for. I have to go for something called as an desktop. I have to go for something called as an, which is going to be the desktop and all these things, what we have to do guys. So don't worry, just if you go there and we can verify. So products, I'm going to say Power BI, which is going to be desktop guys. So from here, I have to go for either download now or advanced download option is there. If I click on the advanced download option, again, it will go to the same page, which I've shown you earlier guys. Okay, so it is going to be publish and share the reports with Power BI Pro. So it is going to be $14 per month guys. Per one user, it is going to be user per a month, which is going to be $14 per a month. It was there. I think earlier it was $10. Let me check it out once. It is going to be otherwise we'll go for buy now. So we can see guys, it is going to be Power BI, which is going to be, it depends on the, what is going to be the version and all these things, what it is going to be takes place. It is going to be something like for 1 month. It depends on the subscription guys. So it is going to be monthly subscription. It is taking Power BI for 1 year. So 1 year subscription is going to be $28 per particular month, what we are going to be using there. So different, which is going to be, we have a different options are there. For 1 month, if you, for 1 year, if you do, it will be costing around, which is going to be $25 per month. It is going to be costing you guys. So there are different types of options are going to be there. So we can use a different types of, which is going to be the editions or subscriptions will be there. Use that kind of a subscriptions, whatever you want. Okay. So that's it guys. Once again, if you click here now, go to the products option. There we can see even we have a pricing option is there. Go to the pricing option guys. So actually they have been slightly increased in guys. Earlier this is $10 and this is going to be $20, but now they have been changed it. So Pro is approximately $14 per month, and which is going to be, it is $14 per month guys and paid yearly. And this is going to be $24 per month, which is going to be for one user. If you pay it yearly, if you pay it guys. Okay, so that is going to be the one which we have to work with that. So I'm going to be using currently the free version only for the timing. So products, as I said that it is going to be Power BI desktop. So go to the advanced and download option is there. It will go to the same page guys, whatever the page I've shown you earlier. So it's a download guys. You can just download. There are two editions are there. One is a 64-bit and other one is going to be, we have a, which is going to be 32-bit guys. You have to install the 64-bit only. By default, it will install 64-bit only guys. Okay. So we can see which is going to be Power BI desktop setup underscore, which is going to be x64. So it's going to be same thing guys, which is going to be 826 MB of file. It's currently going on guys. I think already 2 installations, 2 downloads are going on guys. 2 downloads are going on. Okay. It does not matter. I'm going to stop it for the timing because I don't require. But you guys can download and we can install the software guys. Once if you download and install the software, you can find this will be updated guys. 2.148 it will be updated. And on your desktop, there will be one Power BI desktop software, one icon. You can see it on the screen guys. So you can download and you can install the software guys. This is free of cost. Right now, you need not to pay anything guys. But later you have to do some subscriptions. I'll tell you, there are some free subscriptions were there. We'll create a free subscriptions and we are going to utilize them, guys. Okay. So these are the three different platforms we have to work with them, guys. I'll show you all these complete platforms. I'll show you, guys. So anyhow, we are using Power BI desktop. We are going to use, guys. We are going to use a Power BI desktop. What we are going to use, guys? Okay. And apart from that, we are also going to use something called as the Power BI service. We are going to work with that. We'll work with them, guys. We'll work with the Power BI service. We are going to work. And apart from that, I also show you how to work with the Power BI mobile also, guys. You know what is the Power BI mobile? Power BI mobile is going to be nothing but we know that we have to download and install in your mobile app. You have to install, and from there we have to work on this, guys. Okay. So later I'm going to show you. Right now I'm not going to work with that. If I click here, guys, again it will go to the same site, guys. app.powerbi.com. This is Power BI service. Okay, this is going to be Power BI service, guys. So Microsoft Power BI desktop is a companion desktop application to Power BI service, guys. Even if I click there, it will go there only, guys. So I'll tell you what exactly we have to do and all these things. I'll tell you the application. Installation is very easy, guys. You don't find any kind of much complications. Just download. Anyone can install, guys. So simply click on download, guys. So click on download. It is directly downloading, guys. Earlier, there used to be 32-bit and 64-bit. I think now there is no option. Is directly it is doing, guys. Download the version of Power BI desktop that matches the architecture x86 or 64 for your Windows. Previously, what they used to do, they used to show you which one you want to download. But now it is not required. Directly it is downloading based on your operating system. Whatever the architecture is there, it is using. Obviously, we are using that 64-bit operating systems, guys. That's why directly it is working with the 64-bit, guys. Okay. So that's it, guys. That is what we have to work on this installation procedure. Please download and install them, guys. Installation is very easy. Next process. You please download that. And immediately not required, guys. A couple of days it will take it to start with our practical application, guys. Okay. So that's it for the today's class, guys. So almost all today is the third demo session, guys. So we'll have one more class as a demo at a free of cost. So that will be next class will be on the Tuesday, guys. So reason is very simple. The reason is you all of you know that. So Saturday and Sunday, you don't have any classes on Saturday, Sunday. It is a 5 days a week. Guys. Saturdays, we don't have the classes. On Monday, we are celebrating Diwali, I think so. So Diwali is on Sundays, on Monday. But still some people in Pune or something, they are celebrating on Tuesday. But I don't think so. You have some that much issue with that. Anyhow, it's a morning, right? So Monday is the Diwali. So you don't have a class for Diwali, guys. So next class will be as usually on the Tuesday. So Tuesday will be the last demo session, guys. Then from Wednesday onwards, we'll start with regular classes. Then before starting with the regular classes, you need to complete your registration by paying the fee amount, guys. Okay. So Tuesday is a free session, guys. From Wednesday onwards, we are going to change the link will change, guys. Okay. So fine. So that's it for the today's session, guys. That's it for the today's session. So if you have any questions, guys, I can just clarify your questions and we can end up the session for today, guys. Anyone, guys, any questions if you have? Anyone, if you have any questions, guys? Feel free to discuss, guys. If you have any questions or if you have any doubts, if you have anything related to the course, so you can just clarify and then we can start with our regular classes, guys. No questions? Okay, then. Okay, then that's it for the today's session, guys. I'll see you on the Tuesday's class. So Monday is a Diwali, guys. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we don't have any classes. Okay, so we'll meet on the Tuesday's class, guys. Okay, thanks all of you for today, guys. We'll meet on the Tuesday session.